Bang, bang, bang. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency and blockchain aggregated news source on YouTube. My name is Shamari Clark. Bang. Welcome. All right. All right, guys. So, we've got some interesting stories today. So, first of all, so interesting stories today. We are going to talk about now. You guys know that most of you, I do the Google Analytics here. 77% of you are from America. And so here in America, we use Coinbase. Coinbase just came out with a new feature. Okay, so and also the UK, you guys have Coinbase, and so does Europe. So I brought this out just because it's a new feature on Coinbase, and I'm assuming kind of everyone uses it, right? Like that's how I get my fiat into the crypto space. So, all right, so I'm going to talk to you guys about new features and Coinbase. Now, all right, here we go. Ripple's xRapid is released today, but that's not what we're really going to talk about. You know how I feel about Ripple. I talked about it yesterday. We'll see how that goes. But actually, Ripple is doing some stuff with lobbying in here in America, lobbying the politicians and the SEC to write the legislation that we need. In fact, there were two of these stories today, but I just picked one because I didn't want two of the stories to be about lobbying. But actually, there was another group of heads of crypto companies that wrote to the SEC today as well. So I'll tie them both together like that. And then bang, this is what I love. Crypto Divergence. You know me, guys. I'm always complaining. Why the fuck? When Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. Right? It'll be something stupid like VeChain signs up a new mega corporation to work for. Oh, but because Bitcoin goes down, VeChain goes down. Why? Oh, Bitcoin goes down, Tron goes down. Tron just bought BitTorrent and they're just starting their thing. Why would it be going down? So that's what I told you. You guys know I've been pissed off about this. You guys know, if you're new here, I'm a trader. That's how I make my living. My money makes me money. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. I'm a Forex trader. Do I know what markets are supposed to look like? They're not supposed to look like what they're looking like. But what I tell you, once the money starts coming in, once the real professionals start getting here, they're going to make things work proper. And bang, 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 we have evidence that they have arrived. So let's get to that. We'll get to that. That's the fun part at the end, boys. Yes. The pros have arrived and our money is on the way. All right. So let me go. How we do round these parts. Bang. Let me go bang. Let me go bang with me. Bang. All right. Look. Look, boys. Yes, sir. Yep. Look, I want to tell you the truth. Because today what we're talking about is some good stuff. Things are really happening really fast. I'm going to use this talk to to have a little commercial break. Things are moving really fast, man. I mean, now, finally, like, I'm going to tell you the truth. Like, now these guys are starting to finally put their money. All right, your multi-billion-dollar crypto funds, right, or crypto companies, right? All right, put that money to work. Put that money. You know how it works around here in America. You give a politician some money, he'll start doing what you want him to do. That's how America works. And these guys got all these billions. I'm glad to see. I'm not going to bullshit you. I'm glad to see them throwing their money around a little bit. You'll see in a minute. Yo, and that other story, I might even just show you that story anyway, man. We'll see. Let's see what happens. All right, let me get fueled and let's get on our way. All right. You know how we do around these parts. First we start with a little refresh to get the exact numbers. That changed a little bit, didn't it? Holy, it sure did. All right, bang, bang, bang. Top 10 of the day, Bitcoin, Ethereum. In terms of market cap, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, EOS, Stellar, Litecoin, Tether, Cardano, and bang, Monero still holding on the number 10. Boys, let's take a look at the total market. Mid-single digits down, mid-single digits down, mid-single digits down, mid-single digits. Low to mid single digits down. We'll call it that. Low to mid single digits down. Low to mid single digits down. Low to mid single digits down. All right. Now let's check out. Oh, this will be juicy. Let's check out the biggest losers of the day. Bang. That's unfortunate. Anything on sale that I want? Ooh, Ripple, you that? Look at these. I thought you didn't like Ripple. You're all pissed off. I know I am, and that's why I'm more like bang down here. Bang the stellar. Hold on. Let's get to the top 10 losers, boys. All right. Let's get to it. Redcoin, IOST, Archain, XRP, Verge, Funfair, Ion, Qcoin shares, Eternity, and Stellar. Bang. Rounding out the top 10 losers. That means shit's on sale. Like, look. We just read about Stellar's new decentralized exchange that came out. What was that? Yesterday. Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang. All right. And we'll be talking about Ripple in a minute. Now let's look at the top 10 earners of the day. Booyah. Oh, what? 3 point something is the top? Oh, that sucked. Look at this. Their chart. It doesn't look like it went up. Are you sure you have that chart in the right place? I'm just kidding. All right, guys, I'm being silly. Bang, bang, bang. The fuel's kicking in. Hold up, boys. Hold up. As you know, man, I've been trading heavy, man, so I've just been waking up. Woo, late now, man. That's why these shows are coming so late. All right, let's get fueled. Yeah, that's not really earnings. I'd call this just least losers. All right, let's check it out. Top 10 earners: Hypercash, Bitcoin Gold, Binance Coin, True USD, Mixin, Tether, Decred, Day, Loopring, and Qosh. Let me just take a little peek down here for a second, though. There's Monero. I wanted to see if that Electronium thing was around. Okay. I told you I've been hearing about it lately. And actually, I did read up on it today. So what they do is, what the fuck was that? Oh, yeah. You can mine Electroniums in that from your phone. It's some sort of mining thing or something somehow. I got to read more. Anyways, there's a little tidbit of knowledge, guys. I don't know, read more up on it. And someone asked me about Cardano yesterday. I didn't really know about those guys. I tried to look up a little bit today, but then I got busy, so I had to bounce. Okay, come on. Enough about me. Bang, bang, our market cap of the day, 214 billion. Bang, all right. That's pretty much kind of where we are. And see, we're going down again. So now we're at 13.6. Let's call that 13.5, like just to round off numbers. So, right, we were at 14 yesterday, right? And we went down from 16, which was about late last week, right? So we've been having a slow decline in daily volume. All right, so that's the markets. Let's just go back there. All right, now let's look at our first story. Bang, so Coinbase. So I'm bringing this one up just because I'm assuming most of us use it, right? And so, I don't know, I just kind of want to give you an update on this thing you use, right? Like if you're like me, and that's what I mean. Okay, and so this is the thing. If you're like me, actually, I don't go to Coinbase every fucking day, right? I only go there, to make an order for some money from my account. And then when it gets there, I just buy the Bitcoins and fuck off and go to Binance and buy what I want, right? Like Coinbase is just sort of the on-ramp for my money, right? So I never go there. And so I'm assuming you guys are probably the same. Like, what's there to do there, right? I mean, I guess you trade and stuff. If you're a trader, then you probably go there daily. But if you're like me, I just use it to go get Bitcoins and Ethereums and buy the stuff I want. But when you don't go a long time, then you don't realize, oh, wow, there's all this new stuff. And so that's what I'm going to do. For you who are like me, maybe you haven't been on Binance. Like I go once a month. I go once to put the money in. And then my phone tells me from my bank when my money's there. And then I go and just buy the stuff and go. So I'm there twice a month. Once to make the order, once to take the money off and go to Binance. So if you're like me, you miss stuff, right? And so, or if you don't even buy stuff as often as I do, I buy once a month. You guys know my whole thing. 30% of my money goes to crypto. Of my profits go to crypto. And so anyways, so that's what I'm doing this for. This isn't a commercial for Coinbase. I think it'll help all of you guys in Europe and UK. Bang, bang, bang. These features are coming to you as well. So, Bob, everybody, bang in the Netherlands, Ronkas, and you guys, bang in Iceland, the dude from Iceland. This is probably coming to you. So let's read about our new features. San Francisco's cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase has launched Coinbase Bundles. So it's called Coinbase Bundles, a market-weighted selection of 5 top cryptocurrencies currently available on Coinbase: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum Classic. Coinbase customers will be able to buy the bundles starting at $25, pounds, or euros. Bang, bang. Bundles can be purchased with just a few taps, allowing anyone to own any amount of the 5 cryptos as they want. It's a marketing strategy designed to give new investors easy access and exposure to the crypto markets without all the decision-making jitters. According to the announcement, once a bundle is purchased, the underlying cryptocurrencies are stored in their respective wallets and behave just like separate cryptocurrencies in your Coinbase accounts. So, bang, 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 they separate it out in those, how they have our things. Each of our coins are in their own wallet. You can buy, sell, send, and receive each cryptocurrency as an individual asset. Bang. All right. Coinbase rolled. Oh, and there's a picture of it. Look at it happening right here. You see this? You are buying 25. Boom. Right, let's look at it one more time. You are buying 25. Boom. All right. That's how it's going to look, I guess. All right. So Coinbase rolled out the bundles in the U.S. on September 27th. Oh, last week. And will soon make them available to customers in the UK and Europe. Bang, my UK brothers. Bang, my European brothers. The Germans. Yes. Alles klar, brothers. Alles klar. Yo. Netherlands boys. Iceland's boys. Comment on some cool sayings you guys have in your countries. So, write it in English and then tell me, and then put a translation what it means. Bang. So I can give you guys some shout outs. Alles klar. That's like the Germans. All right. Yes. All right, buddies. All right, let's go. Coinbase bundles are part of the company's strategy to compete globally with Malta-based crypto titan Binance. And then they talk about blah, 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 just how, Coinbase is doing the new listing thing, blah, blah. Who cares? The company plans to dramatically ramp up the number of offerings on its crypto platform and increase the number of investors. According to CEO Brian Armstrong, Coinbase, as a main pillar of the digital economy, can become what? The Google of crypto. Bang, that's a lofty goal, brother. Go for it. Bang, bang. That's what I like to hear, man. He's got the spirit of victory. He's going to be the Google. So did you hear that? So you can, for $25. I mean, guys, I know most of you, it's obviously we have our cryptos, right? But it's just a cool little thing. And it kind of also shows sort of mass adoption, like, little old granny over there, maybe some kid, hey, grandma, let me sign you up a Coinbase account, and here, grandma, let me buy you your first crypto, you take her credit card and just beep, beep, buy her a little $25 bundle right here. Where is it? It's a little bang. You know what I mean? Just a little 25. Yeah, grandma, now you're into crypto. You're cool. Bang, grandma's cool. I don't know. But you know what I mean? Anyway, it's just a feature. And actually, also the reason I brought it up was DJ Pollywood. He told me that he uses his Binance, his Coinbase account. He says he has it to buy crypto for him on a scheduled basis. So, like, he didn't tell me the schedule, but it's like, yeah, every Wednesday, buy me this much Bitcoin. Every Thursday, buy me this much Ethereum. Every Friday, buy me that much Litecoin. I didn't know you could do that. So, and that's what I mean. Like, I didn't know I could do that. And so that's why I figured, wow, that's a feature I didn't know. And so that's why I brought this up, because I want everyone to know all the features so they can utilize them to the best of their abilities and the way they need them. All right, let's move on. Bang. Ripple's xRapid launch low key as company joins new coalition. Now, you already know. I already showed you yesterday. Oh, it's just launching? I showed you how they tricked us in. Hold on, let me have a commercial break. This isn't about xRapid, though. This story is not about xRapid. Yeah, remember how they tricked us? I showed you yesterday. They were like, yeah, so-and-so is using xRapid. Fucking shit just launched today. 9 months later. I'm not going to shit on them or anything. Like I told you guys already, I'm pissed off. They were with the R3 consortium. They left that consortium. They didn't mention anything. They lied about having those partnerships. Didn't say that they're not using xRapid. But anyways, xRapid is here. Can't cry over spilt milk. What's done is done. I've made my purchases. Shit, the shit's in my warehouse already. So all I'm going to do, and I've told you guys this, I said it for the past couple weeks, I'm going to give them till the end of January if I don't hear major partnerships. Look, the tsunami is going to hit, I think, about the second quarter, Q2 next year. Novogratz said he thinks Q1. I mean, he's a big CEO guy that talks to these kind of guys, so, you know. But then again, you know. So, I'm giving them 1 month into Q1, and then bang, if I don't hear major partnerships. Right, that shit today, I'll tell you right now. Today, Ripple came out and said, yeah, Santander's using our stuff. Yeah, what? X-Current. Anyways, all right, guys. I'll keep you posted on that shit because, you know, that pissed me the fuck off. Right? Made me think I was crazy. I was like, what? xRapid's just coming out. Am I in the Twilight Zone? I thought it was already out. See, and that's why I brought up yesterday's article to prove to you guys I wasn't crazy. Prove to myself I wasn't crazy. No. They did tell you it was being used in January. You're right. They just lied to you. Like, oh, okay. Look, around here, we're sucker free. All right, let's just check it out. Ripple has slipped in the launch of its new xRapid product without the accompanying fanfare, which usually greets such events. Yeah. You don't want to have too much fanfare when everyone already thought they were with your xRapid was out, and now you're bringing it out. Yeah, I'd hold that down too, jackasses. I can't believe I got suckered like that, man. Motherfuckers. The xRapid tool is designed to accelerate Ripple cross-border. All right, bullshit. We already know all this shit. All right, let's just read. The xRapid tool is designed to accelerate Ripple's cross-border payment network, so news of its impending release impacted on the XRP price with almost instant effect, taking another small jump as the product went live. Payment providers MercuryFX and Collex, we read this yesterday, were earmarked to use the service, along with cooperative finance firm Catalyst Corporate Federal Credit Union. Ashish Birla, Ripple's senior vice president of product, commented on the launch. He comments on the launch, saying, I'm really excited to bring the product into the market at a time when there's a lot of skepticism about digital assets and their real use case. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. People think it's centralized, blah, blah. We're going to skip that. In other news, now this is the part why I'm bringing this whole thing up. Bang. This is the part that matters to us. Fuck Ripple. We'll see. Like I said, man, if I don't hear major announcement, I'm not talking about some one fucking bank in some country. I'm talking a global bank. HSBC, Citibank, Credit Suisse. Look, buddy, if I don't hear some shit like that, if I don't hear that Western Union or MoneyGram thing, look, bang, you're out of here, son. Bang. I'll see you in phase 2. All right. In other news, but this is the part here, guys, all right? You see how angry I am? They tricked me, man. Yo, you guys don't even understand how careful I am before I invest. Boys, look how long it took me to just jump on the VeChain bandwagon, right? And I knew. Look, I'm careful. I'm not a rowdy. I know I drink and smoke and curse and stuff, but I'm not really a rowdy dude when it comes to my money, man. I'm really what you'd call a conservative investor. If you look at my trades on Forex Factory, you'll see. I'm not aggressive like the other guys. But that's why my money stay safe. All right. Let's just go. But this is the point of the story here is what I want to talk about because this is the good stuff. In other news, following the launch of xRapid, Ripple is leading a new caucus called Securing America's Internet of Value Coalition, SAIV, in order to promote cryptocurrency. 3 companies with links to Ripple have joined the coalition, including Hard Yaka, a digital assets investment firm, and PolySign, a financial services company seeking to act as a crypto custodian. Custodianship! The 4th member of the group, which includes Ripple Works Foundation, is Coil, Remember Coil, the one who wants to monetize the web and all that? I can put Coil on the YouTube to make everyone pay and all that. Anyway, whatever. A company developing digital payment solutions. SAIV has hired a DC-based lobbying firm. Bang. This is what we got to do. Look. The only way to get through to the politicians is you got to get up in their face and you got to throw them money. That's how America works, man. If you got the money, look at coal miners, okay? Look at here in America. Like, this is for you people who don't live here, okay? I want you to understand this. Coal miners here in America. We have a coal mining lobby. Coal mining is like from the 1800s. Motherfuckers still fight to mine coal up in this bitch in this country, right? That's the level. Why? Why can they do it? Because they have money. Coal mining. Are you fucking joking? Fucking educate those coal miners to do something else. I don't know. To manage, wind farms or solar panels, right? We'll get solar energy, wind energy. Nope. Coal lobby's got that money. We're still mining coal like I said, like the 1800s. And it's a lobby here, like with power. They have power, right? Holy coal mining. Fucking coal, man. Still sending people. Oh my gosh. That's some third world shit. Anyways, so that's how it works here in America, though. If you have enough money, hey, man, you can get motherfuckers to do whatever you want. I mean, my bad. Let me say this properly. You can get the politicians to do whatever you want, to vote for whatever you want, to fight on your behalf. That's called a lobbying firm. So here in America, they're called lobbyists. Legal bribers. I don't know what you'd call this, but that's how it works here. But which is good because these crypto companies, well, look at all their, hold on, let's look at this. Why is lobbying good in America for us? Let's look at the market caps of these companies. Bang. 111 billion, 22 billion, 20 billion, 8 billion, 4 billion. Right? So they have some money to throw at these politicians, which is good for us. All right, Shmori, man, you going to tell us about this thing? Yes. I'm just trying to explain to, foreigners how our shit works here. SAIV has hired a DC-based lobbying firm, Klein Johnson Group, to promote their work, which is principally aimed at warning both the government and the SEC towards innovative emerging technologies such as cryptocurrency, rather than adopting a aimed at warming both the government and the SEC towards innovative emerging technologies such as cryptocurrency, rather than adopting a punitive stance, making them happy about it, educating them about it, about the benefits. Bang, bang, you can't hack it. Bang, bang, you can't change it. Bang, bang, it's fast. All this kind of crap. Klein Johnson will be paid $25,000 and 10,000 Ripple XRPs for their services, which, according to Ripple's executive chairman, partly paying them in crypto, gives them some upside and gives them some risk. Hopefully, it gives them a taste of the industry in a way that hits home. The industry still awaits some clarification on cryptocurrency, and we've been talking about this. We all know this. The industry still awaits some clarification on cryptocurrency from the SEC, which has provoked a flurry of delegations to Washington in past month. And that's what we've been talking about. Notwithstanding letters to the SEC from crypto pioneers, that happened today too, and I'll talk about that. We're not going to read the whole thing, but I'll talk about it. Notwithstanding letters to the SEC from crypto pioneers and members of the U.S. Senate, many think it's past time that the regulatory body looked more carefully at the stance it took this June when SEC Chair Jack Clayton said it had no intention of making changes to existing legislation to accommodate digital currencies. All right, and so point number one from this story. Bang, Ripple is coming together with a nice big Washington lobbying firm. Bang, 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 Klein Johnson Group. So that's good news. To talk to the politicians and, get them to do stuff. Then today, I didn't read this one. It was either this story or the other one. But I chose this one. But in the other one, today, a lot of guys, pioneers. Come on, let me just show you. Fuck this. I'll just show you anyway. So a bunch of pioneers of the industry, they wrote a letter to I think, was it the SEC? I think directly to the SEC itself, saying, hi, please Regulate for us. Please regulate for us. So here it is. So this also happened today. I guess we're going to get into it. Fuck this. Hold on. I'm not going to get too deep. I'm not going to keep you guys too long. I love this stuff. I'll read it all day. But look, a group of crypto pioneers has laid out concerns about the regulation of cryptocurrencies to the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission, outlining that, further regulations could be detrimental to the industry as a whole. And then last week, there was a letter written by congressmen to the SEC, right? Was this the congressman one? Yeah. Another letter last week by the U.S. Congress, right? Those are the 15 congressmen. Remember those guys? And then remember that one guy, the one politician, the House member? He came up with 3 bills for cryptocurrency. So you see, they're getting pressure now. They're getting pressure from the group that we read with Ripple. They're getting pressure from what we're reading now. These guys, they're getting pressure from, remember, 15 House members themselves. The House is the lower house of government in our society in America, right? The House and the Senate, every country has that. So the House is that, the lower house. So let me see. So, and a lot of people were in it. The letter was a crypto's who's who of people. .com veteran Christopher Allen, Bitcoin core developer Brian Bishop, financial expert Angus Champion de Crespini, blockchain attorney Gavin Fury, and bang, look at this one, Caitlin Long, most recently Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley's managing director. So you see, everyone's putting pressure on the politicians, putting pressure on the SEC, and so we should get something. But this is the one issue, and this is the problem people don't like, is that this guy Jay Clayton. Look! I told you the other day, he's our bro. He said a light touch. But the problem is he doesn't want to change the rules for what's a security. And he wants cryptos to just go under that. And so let me just read this. Shouldn't be the type. Okay. So the letter explained that cryptocurrencies shouldn't be typecast due to their unique qualities. As such, warned that fitting them into the existing market infrastructure introduces risk to investors that would not otherwise exist. The letter also warned against applying rules to digital assets in ways which do not reflect their strengths. So what they're kind of trying to say, there's a big argument going on with them and the regulators, is that, we're not just stocks. We're not just commodities. So you have to sort of make new rules for us. And but this is the problem. So earlier in June, so now we're down here. Earlier in June, SEC Chairman Jay Clayton clarified that the regulators had no intention of changing their traditional regulatory approach. He said, "We are not going to do any violence to the traditional definition of a security that has worked for a long time. We've been doing this a long time. There's no need to change the definition." And that's the beef. That's the problem. Why we can't, why we have regulatory, I don't know what you call it, just a gray area, right? Because he's saying, nah, man, we're going to put you under the rules of regular securities. And they're trying to say, like, no, man, you have to classify this as something new. And I agree, it is new. Your ICO is like a security, but then now you have a decentralized network and all this stuff. Like, and they're going to have to come up with something. Anyway, so that's why I brought up, I wanted to bring up, I guess, both these two, just to show you that here in America, bang, finally, there's a lot of work. Right? I've been complaining about the regulators and the politicians not doing their jobs. Well, at least guys are pushing the regulators now. Now they're pushing them. They are attacking the SEC over the regulations. Yo, give us regulations. These guys, Ripple's doing their thing to make them do their homework and to get us the legislation we need. So there's a lot of good work going on. All right. All right. And this is the fun stuff. Oh, where was that? Oh, my bad. Oh, this was the other one. Okay, this was the one. Right. The coalition talking to the politicians, and then these guys talking to the politicians. All right, and now our third story, crypto divergence. Yes. So you know me, if you've been here for any period of time, you know I get pissed off. I'm a professional trader. That's how I make my money. I'm a Forex trader. My money makes me money. I don't have a 9-to-5 job. I've been trading in the markets for 18 years. I'm 44 years old. And I've been in this since 2000. And look, I've seen many a market come, many a market go. And like I say, I've been complaining. Look, let me even show you what I complain about if you're new here. I know, guys, if you've been here, you've heard me complain all the time. Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Hold on, let me even just make sure it's full screen for you. I don't even want you. Look. Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Look at this. A peak, wow. Peak, wow. I guess a late peak, wow. Peak, wow. Peak, wow. Peak. That's not how markets look. If I show you my Forex thing, that's not how markets look. Wow. Wow. Why are they all going down at the end? Why are they all going down at the end? Because you know why? Because they don't have divergence. Because this is an immature market, and in mature markets you have what's called divergence. Like, go take a look at the New York Stock Exchange. You'll see each stock has a different looking chart. Yeah, that's called divergence. In other words, they're being assessed on their own merit, right? It's not because Ford goes up, Microsoft goes up. What? Those are two different companies. And that's what's happening here. Let's go back here in the crypto world here, is that you see Bitcoin goes down, well, everything goes down, right? How many times have we seen this? How many times have you heard me bitch and complain? I know, but there's new people, so they got to hear the bitching and complaining too, like you guys have been treated to already. Like, boys, luck. But you know it's true, luck. And now we're seeing divergence, though, and that's the beauty. We're going to see the market, bang, maturing, and we have scientific proof to prove it. Bang. And I'll tell you why it's happening. I already know why it's happening. Because of that story we read yesterday. The big institutional investors doing what? Coming in through the back door, over the counter sales. So we're not seeing, you see what CoinMarketCap shows us? CoinMarketCap shows us hold on, man, get fueled, man. I got to school you fuckers right here tonight. Bang, bang. This is our money coming. Bang, bang. Oh, boys, and it's coming. Let me get fueled and talk. Let's have a good old time with this one. So the market cap, or sorry, my bad, the volume we see every day, you see the volume is based on what's happening on the exchanges, right? So what CoinMarketCap does is they take the volume from, I don't know what, like 10, 20 exchanges or something, averages it, and that becomes our volume of the day. I could be wrong. If you know the exact mechanism they use, put it in the comments, blah, blah, blah. If I need correction, correct me. But what did we read yesterday? In truth, the big money boys, a lot of big money boys, they're buying such big amounts, they can't buy it off of Binance. Remember we read that yesterday? Like, they're not coming for, 100 Bitcoin. They're coming for like 10,000 at a time, right? Yeah, there aren't 10,000 Bitcoins to be sold on Binance, right? So we read it. They're going to the OTC market. If you're new here, you got to get Investopedia because I'm schooling you like a real investor. That's what you want to be. That's what you're going to be taught like. Now, OTC, it's called over the counter. Over the counter. In other words, they're not going to fucking Binance like us. We're just a bunch of chumps. We go to Binance and shit. We buy our crap. No. These big money men, these big hedge fund guys, they're going directly to the Bitcoin miners. They're like, listen, motherfucker, let me get 10,000 of them Bitcoins right there. Yeah, bang, in one shot. So it doesn't reflect itself on the daily volume. But do you notice I've been telling you? I've just noticed we're too stable right now. Look at how Bitcoin has been just fluctuating in the let's go. Look how Bitcoin's been fluctuating nice and tightly now. Nice and tightly. Don't worry, we're going to get to divergence because this all ties in. And let's go to the year. The yearly. Bang. Look at that. Nice. You see how it's nicely consolidating now. Nicely consolidating within this range here and here. You know, it's consolidating nicely. Yeah, that's, you see the floor. So let's look at this floor. See this? You notice how it's not breaching that area there. That's where the big boys are starting us off from. They've decided, and that's not decided, but it doesn't, it's not like a plan. But what happens is, you know, market guys all think that's the level where we'll buy at. So it keeps prices always going above that, right? Like hitting it and going above, hitting and going above. You know, it's called support, right? So you have support and resistance. So that's our levels of support. I believe, I could be wrong. We could see we could see some carnage next week, but I believe that's the level of support that the big money has decided where Bitcoin is valued at, and we're only going to go up from there. And the reason, all right, and so. And now we're going to start seeing divergence. Now that the professionals are here, I showed you yesterday, we've hit the floor. Now we're going to see, like I told you, these guys are smart. They're not idiots. We've been trading with idiots, okay? Not idiots, just regular folk. You know, yeah, not professional market guys, right? These are professional market guys. So when they come here, like I've been telling you, look, they're going to be looking at, you know, they're not going to look at, you know, what the CEOs are. They're going to look at what is actually happening with that crypto company, right? They're going to be trading properly. And that's what we're starting to see. All right, let me stop talking and let me just read to you. Fuck. Sorry about that. Oh, it's been so angry. You know, if you've been here for any length of months, I get angry, man, because I'm a trader. I want to trade this stuff. I want to get the fuck right up in here. Look. Google this, boys. The trend is your friend. There you go. And then Google this. Swing trading, trending markets. Oh, that's what I want to do to this shit. That's what I want to do to this shit. But because we've had so many amateurs, I can't get in. I could get in on level 2 like Bob's doing, but I mean, I'm going to. He got my juices going. I'm not going to bullshit. I still got to buy a book. I still got to order a book on Amazon. But so you can level 2 trade now, but you want the big trades. You want the fucking monster stuff. Bang, that's called swing trading. That's what your 401k guy does for you. That's what your retirement guy does for you. That's what the stock market guys do. They swing trade trending markets. Okay, they don't just pick a asset and go, I'm trading this today. No, they look. Is it characteristically trending? If trending, well, trade it. Right? If it's not trending, you don't trade it. It's waiting to trend. All right. Okay, so here we go, though. Oh, boy, man, I really want to teach you guys about trading. I'm getting juiced up. The era of correlated crypto, and we are going to. Whoa, we're going to make some real money because listen to this. The era of correlated crypto market might be, coming to an end. So that's the shit I'm telling you about. Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. That's called a correlated market. So the era of a correlated crypto market might be coming to an end as the market shows signs of increasing diversification. Analysts suggest crypto divergence is a sign investors are beginning to do their own research. Wow, look. It's not the fucking retailers that are doing the research. I'll tell you right now, it's a sign of those guys we talked about yesterday who came in through the back door. Yeah, they're making the market start to move proper now. They're actually starting to do their homework. They're actually looking at 36 working projects with product, partnerships. And so the prices are starting to move on their own. Data collected from Coinbase, a price statistics platform, found the long-term price moves of most cryptocurrencies to be increasingly diverse. While trends over a 24-hour or 7-day time period continue to be closely correlated, 30-day and 90-day price trends vary depending on the asset. All right. Meaning, you know, on a week-to-week basis, it looks like it's following Bitcoin. But if you expand out the 60 and the 90-day, they've actually acted differently. We need them to act differently daily, though. And that's the more of these guys that come here is the more we'll see that. Crypto divergence indicates traders are taking a more selective approach to what they invest in and what they avoid. For fuck's sakes, exactly. How can VeChain sign up the second largest shipping company on earth and go down that day? I mean, look, guys, you understand. I mean, I'm sure you all watch the news, right? When Apple comes out with its new phone, the stocks go up, right? New product, hey, great, right? When GM comes out with their numbers, right? Oh, you're supposed to sell 100,000 cars, but they sell 120,000. It goes up. Good news. Good news. It means the asset should go up. And so now, like what we're saying, that's what they're starting to see. Now that the professionals are here, we're going to start seeing a lot of, not just because Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. Bitcoin goes up, everything up. We're going to start seeing proper trading. And that's why you got to get your warehouse right. That's why you got to get your warehouse right with quality goods. Goods that they're going to be looking at, that the sophisticated investors are going to be looking at, right? Partnerships. I can't emphasize that enough. And what they do. Assets following their own independent price trajectories are less likely to be affected by the trends of other cryptocurrencies, right? Because Bitcoin goes down, VeChain went down. They just signed up with the second biggest fucking shipping company on earth. In 2017 and the first half of 2018, the market was correlated, moving all with Bitcoin. We're seeing the entire market diverging in September, which we've not seen before. Oh, finally. People are doing their homework. Right. They're actually, doing their homework. They're being a bit more selective. Yeah, dick. If VeChain goes down, Bitcoin goes down, you know what I mean? IOTA signs up with Fujitsu. Fujitsu said it's going to make IOTA the standard of Internet of Things. In other words, it's going to be the TCP/IP of Internet of Things, which is coming when the 5G network comes next year. Right? 5G network's coming next year. All that Internet of Things stuff is going to start coming. Fujitsu said we're going to make IOTA the standard. IBM is working with IOTA. Oh, but Bitcoin went down. IOTA went down. You see what I'm saying? Retards. Now we're starting to see people actually look. In other words, the professionals are here who are actually looking at what a project does. Not the dream, but what it does. Oh, but they say they're going to do this. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. I'm not going to hold on for fuck all on anything. If your project's doing what it's supposed to do, then I'll keep it. I'm telling you right now. I hear you guys in my Ripple thing. Yoda. Man, Yoda preached to me last night. You're so close. Hold on. Yoda, I love you, brother. But what am I close at? If you have working product, I'm close. Because the tsunami is close. So if you have working product and it's actually being used in the real world, oh, well, I know they'll buy it. So my IOTAs and VeChains, my Trons, as they get here, oh, I know I'm getting rich. Ripple, when they get here, I don't know if they're going to buy that shit. Who are they working with? 3 little shitty little companies? You know what I mean? We're close, all right, and that's why I might have to sell those. All right, though. Greenspan suggests diversification is happening because the market is better educated than it was last year. Yeah, in other words, sophisticated investors are coming in, not little high school kids anymore. Over the phone, he argues a substantial influx of new investors as the tail end of last year created a closely correlated market. Traders did not differentiate between different cryptocurrencies, meaning the market began to move as one. That's why I was crying and complaining, guys. I know I was whining like a motherfucker. But you see what I'm saying? Even they knew. Diversification suggests cryptocurrencies becoming established, thanks Greenspan. Bang, it's becoming mature. Exactly. The men are coming in now. Move over, kids. All right, kids, you've had your little crypto nerd fun. Move over. Let the big boys get in here. Let the men get in here and let's handle this. The quality projects are the ones likely to benefit if market conditions continue. Exactly. The quality projects are the ones that are going to benefit because these guys are actually going to look at that. They're not going to be tricked by some CEO blowing smoke up your ass, and just nonsense how you're going to save the world. They're going to do proper analysis. Okay. will likely to benefit if market conditions continue. Oh, and they will, because more of them are coming. In a market phenomenon known as fight... Oh, they're trying to copy the Forex world. In a market phenomenon known as flight to quality, remember I told you guys about flight to safety? If Trump launches if China retaliates with the tariff war that Trump is doing, we're going to have a thing called flight to fucking safety. It's also called flight to quality. It's the same thing. It means the same thing. The big money takes their money straight up to American, Japanese, and Swiss bonds. So these guys are trying to use the same language. That's funny. In market phenomenon known as flight to quality, investors are more likely to move into projects they consider to be better and safer than the alternatives. The better projects will win out in a diverse market. This is still not set in stone, however. Diversification relies on an education and experience. Relies on education and experience. Anyways, bang. And that's what we're going to have when these guys come. The collapse in prices over the past 9 months has stopped crowds of investors entering the market. A bull run similar to the one in December could lead to an influx of inexperienced traders, which will likely lead to an increase in price correlation. Exactly. I told you. What was I telling you all if you've been here? Amateurs. Amateurs. Price goes up. Bitcoin goes up. Everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down. Everything. That's not how markets work. I've been in the markets for 18 years. It doesn't work like that. Now we're seeing them work properly. Just like how I said. What did I tell you guys a couple months ago? Once the big boys start coming in, we're going to see things working properly. Okay? If you say you're trading from charts and you know what you're doing, you're fucking lying. Okay? That's all I'm going to tell you, man. You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. But now we're going to see diversification in price. Divergence. So, if a lot of new people join the market, then price correlation might do it again. Yeah. So, look, that's not going to happen again. We have institutional investors coming now. So now we're going to get proper. It doesn't matter. I'm not worried about. I think by the end of next year, we're going to have proper markets. Each coin is going to go up and down based on its own merit, based on what it does, or the company. It's not it. The coin doesn't do anything. It's a company that does it. But your company, like flipping Tron, acquires a major asset, bang, it's going to go up, no matter whether Bitcoin goes down or not. So that's good news for all of us. If you guys are traders, if there's any of you, I know some of you Forex guys kind of watch a little bit. Bang, 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 guys. We're going to be in there. If you're a trader like me, look. I'm going to give it all of next year and watch by 2020. We're going to have the market. We'll be done with those guys. And the helm will be head by the Wall Street guys. Bang, bang, bang. And we'll be trading along with them. Plus, they'll get MetaTrader in here and stuff like that. So we'll really be able to do some damage. Bang. All right. Now, let's go to our bang. Oh, so first of all, let me thank the brothers. I told you guys about that asshole who dissed me about the smoking and drinking and all that. And a lot of brothers, man, you guys showed your support to me, man. And I want to shout out you guys, man. I thank you, because that's why I love doing this shit. That's why I love doing this shit. You know what I mean? I like talking to bros who are doing the same shit I'm doing, waiting for make money, right? We're trying to make some bread around these parts. And some assholes, complaining, whine about smoking, drinking, cursing, fuck shit, damn, and all that shit. Look. So I thank the brothers last night for coming out and showing me some support. So let me shout out to the brothers right there. David Phillips says, "Hey, just call me Noah, brother." Bang, bang, bang. Oh, he gave a big one. Bang, I see you, David Phillips. Who we got here? Oceanic 990. Say, great vid, bro. Bang, bang. Thank you, brother. Chris A. Smooth show. Love it. Bang. See you, brother. Edwin C. Yes. I know, man. What? Wait. At Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, where are the 200 banks that said they signed? One bank per week, they said. Where's the first? I know, brother. I know. All right. Let's move on, though. Hold on. To set the record straight. Oh, this guy. Oh, it wasn't Yoda. Melodies. He tried to school me about XRP. Look, brother. I told you, man. They have till the end of January or I'm out. I'll take the loss. Put it in some good money. Bang, Jim Mod. You're always around. I've never said hi to you really too much. Bang. I see you, brother. Steven Devon. I thought his name was Steve Devon. I was calling him Mr. Devon. He's like, actually, no, that's where I live. My name's Steve. Bang. Devon, I see you, brother. I love that guy. Cedric. Hey, brother. What did he say to me? He said, hey, brother, keep doing your thing, man. Don't worry about these punks. Keep smoking and drinking. Is that a moth? You're unique in this space. I watch you every night at work. Yes, I'm glad I could give you something valuable to watch instead of work. Anyways, good content. Bang, bang, bang. All right. And then DJ Polly said, bang. Do you, brother? And then Ocean99 said, bang. Yes. So I thank you, brothers, for that support, man. I mean, you know, these fucking losers talk this shit to me. You guys don't know. Like, sometimes I just don't put them in the comments because it's like, get the fuck out of here. But, you know, I had to mention it because I just stop it, people. If you don't like it, if you don't like the show, just go away. All right. Because me and my brothers, we're having a good old time. We're waiting for our tsunami. Bang, bang, bang. Building our arcs and warehouses. Bang, bang, bang. Getting our airdrops. Milking the cow. Bang, bang, bang. You know what I mean? We're having a good old time here, man. If you don't want to have a good time with us, then just fuck off, man. All right. Now, shout outs and airdrops. Cryptola, see you, brother. Bang. You're doing Cybertron service airdrop. Bang. See you, brother. Here's Bob. So this is the Minister of Airdrops. Bob, 844-11320. Go here. He gives you airdrops. Airdrops are free coins. If you're new here, I noticed we had about 4 or 5 new ones this weekend. Yes, if you're new, you're going to get free coins. Free pre-ICO coins. Go to Bob at Bob 844-11320. Read the 3 tutorials at the top that are pinned to the top of his Twitter feed. And bang, 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 dive right in. Yes, free coins, boys. Free coins. All right. Bang, what's he doing tonight? Teb token. Bang, see you, Bob. Always. Bang, bang, there's Pollywood. Where is he? Bang, there's Pollywood. All right. What else we got? Oh, new guy. What's this going on here? Bang, bang. Don B. Bang, bang. See you, brother. Main cash and slapping Jaddy's ass. All right, brother. What we got here? Alex Pivave. Bang. See you, brother. Crypto Signals. Bang. See you. Hodl Crypto. See you. Bob, what's he doing? Crypto Health. Oh, we've been on here. Oh, that was yesterday. All right, so there we go. That's the shout outs and airdrops for today. Also, oops, excuse me. Go to, whoops. Bang, bang, bang. CB Newswire on Twitter. That is the Twitter feed for this cryptocurrency blockchain news. And I guess that's about it, guys. Well, we've had a good night. Bang, bang, bang. What we learn about? Bang, the new feature of Coinbase. So grab yourself some bundles or whatever. If your grandmama's new, bang, bang, just get her a little bundle for Christmas. Little bundle of crypto. Little $25 bundle of crypto. Here, grandma. Bang. Right? Oh, honey, that's so sweet. No, bang. Get her into it. Maybe she starts. Yeah, you never know. Get her a book about level 2 trading. You don't know. By the summer, she might be just banging out crypto like a madwoman. Yeah, you never know. All right, we learned about the lobbying group with Ripple, and bang, the markets are beginning to behave properly. Crypto divergence. All right, brothers. Oh, yeah, that's the point. That's why we're here. That's right, the full face again. So, please subscribe below. Press the bell button so that you get automatic updates. And that's pretty much it, man. I'll be back tomorrow. Bang, bang, bang. Please subscribe below. Thank you very much. My name is Shamari Clark. I love doing this for you guys. It's my favorite part of the day. This is Shamari Clark. Bang. Always on duty. Over and out.